Olukhwaphilizo luchazwe ngamaqela aphikisayo njengelona olubange inhloni. I-DA nebifunele ingxoxo mpikiswano ngalomba ihlabukhwelo kuba kubanjwe bonke ababandekanyekayo kolukhwaphilizo.
Each and every individual, no matter how politically connected they are, no matter where they work, must be held accountable.
I-ANC izamile ukuzithethelela.
Anybody who loots, anybody who engages in corrupt activity, whether they be from the DA, EFF or the ANC, we will not stand on the way of our law enforcement authorities doing their work.
Kodwa amaqela aphikisayo aqhubekile ngokukhwela ezehlela kwi-ANC.
This is not the first time I've expressed my disappointment and indeed anger at the astronomical levels of corruption that have taken place amidst one of the most devastating times of the world and our country has ever seen.
The President himself said that the ANC is accused number one. So he is aware of the corruption.
It is easy to see that the real perpetrator of state capture is none other than the ANC.
The ACDP condemns the shocking high levels of corruption in this country, particularly the looting of PPEs that were meant to protect and save the lives of healthcare workers.
Ndingumanilisi Dubase weendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.